I think I should text my friend. Huh? Beep beep. A tornado warning? Oh no. I gotta go tell mom and dad. I'm hoping. Mom, Dad, there's a tornado. What? Oh no, we gotta get ready for the tornado. Come on. Can't just leave our daughter. Oh right, I forgot about her. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Wake up. Wake up. There's a tornado. We gotta get to the basement. Come on, Mom and Dad, we gotta go to the secret basement. We're stuck, though. Oh, no! Okay. Mom, Dad, I'll pack all the stuff. No, we'll do it. Yeah. It's not safe up here. Okay. Come on, sister. Let's go into the secret basement. Okay. Alright, let's get all the food. Okay. I will get our daughter's blanket. I got all the stuff. Me too. Woo! It's the tornado sirens. Oh no. Easy. Are you sure Mommy and Daddy will be okay? I'm sure. Bing, bing, bing. Hello? We're at your house and the tornado sirens are getting closer and closer. Okay. Wait, you don't have a basement? No, I have no basement. Oh no. Okay, I'll open the door. Mom, Dad. What are you doing? Why are you going out here? I need to go open the door for my friend. Hurry up. Okay.
No.
Come in.
No.
Okay. Wait for me, bestie. Wait for me. Alright, let's take a nap. Okay. Let me sleep with you, sissy. I'll sleep over here. I'll just sleep with this. Here. Lay on my wings. Thank you, Daddy. I'll come with you. Dun, 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 dun.